Hey guys, welcome back to Passion for Petrol. My name's Ed. Today we're off to Awesome GTI in Manchester for the install of my KWV3 coilovers. So sit back and enjoy the video. There you go, so I've dropped the Polo off at Awesome GTI behind me. Let's have a look at some of the really cool cars that are here. Right guys, so just to give you an overview of what the coilovers are, we've got our two front struts here. Obviously you can change your, I believe that's, yep, bump, and then you've got your compression on the top as well. Kind of hard to see from here. Yeah, we've got our 034 upgraded top mounts as well. Rear dampers, rear springs, and the adjuster seat just there, as well as the cancellation kit, which is all in here, which I've just spilt everywhere because I'm an idiot. So guys, whilst the lovely staff at Awesome GTI were getting the Polo in the workshop ready for the install, I grabbed a seat in their beautiful showroom with a coffee whilst I waited for it to be finished. They were also kind enough to let me set up a GoPro in the workshop to film the install for you guys. Unfortunately, it did die about halfway through, but enjoy the footage that I did manage to get for you.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down, close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up.
So guys, we're now on the way back from Awesome GTI. The KWs are on the car. It's not sitting quite as low as I want it to. Apparently they do take a little time to settle, just like lowering springs do, so I'm going to drive them out for like maybe 400 or 500 miles and then do some adjustments. But first impressions are really good. The suspension feels so compliant versus the standard one. I mean, going over bumps with the lowered standard suspension, it felt like you were braking something every time. Here, it just cruises over bumps. It's an incredible immediate difference that I can tell. I haven't really had a chance to take it around some corners properly yet. This is by no means me reviewing the coilovers. So we gotta try to get in there. But yeah guys, straight off the bat, they feel incredible. I did sort of, you know, wang it round a bit, and the car felt really level, felt more level than stock. We are just running the standard compression and damping settings. We'll not change those at all. But yeah, I'm really impressed. I will do a proper first drive video. I've just ordered a GoPro head mount. I did order a chest mount like an idiot and realised you can't even see over the steering wheel. So yeah, the head mount's on the way. I'm going to do a POV driving video for you guys and give you my thoughts and feelings after some more time with the coilovers. But I think this might be the best mod I've done yet.
What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love? What is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me. I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me how? Can you love me with all you've got?
So guys, just a quick side note before I finish off today's video. We have installed some fresh discs and pads on the Polo in preparation for Germany. These are re-drilled J-hook discs for the performance pack brakes. They have been re-drilled to 5x110. We've also got the blue stuff pads from EBC on there, which I've heard great things about. I was running the yellow stuff pads beforehand, but they take quite a while to bed in, whereas the blue stuff pads don't take anywhere near as long, and they are supposedly far better on track and for fast road use. But guys, that finishes off today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, please leave a like on the video. I really appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel for more content on the Polo. But anyway guys, until next time, have a great time. My name's Ed and this is Passion for Petrol.